Morning guys, morning. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Upo muna tayo bago maghugas ng sasakyan, okay? Kasi nakakapagod. Rest for a while for 5 minutes. Then hugas tayo ng kotse. Kasi kakarating lang namin. Sorry, ang galing sa labas. Ayaw ko ng kotse may putik. Just because it's a rainy days this time, so I wanna wash this. But I just wanna rest for 5 minutes to 10 minutes first. I just eat my brunch. How about you? How are you everyone guys? Mga ka-reels. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Maghugas na tayo ng kotse. Ang kotse. Hugasan ng kotse. Kotse. Okay? Kotse. Hugasan natin yan. Okay, thank you guys.